Okay, kids, here we have the Norton anti-sumping valve. Pretty simple. Some people swear by them, some people swear at them. Not a lot going on here. Get this out of the way, get a little. Let's see right through. There we go. Here's the main body. And basically this really light spring goes in here. Push it all the way down. You got your ball in here. And that seats on this. Now, this part here goes to your oil tank. That little ball keeps the oil from running into the engine while it's not running. And this spring here is very light. Whole mess screws together, which you're not going to do in normal use, but if you have a problem, you can take them apart and see if there's something plugged in there. But that's pretty much the way it goes. This side goes to your oil tank. There's a little ball. The spring holds it on the seat till the engine starts. Makes a suction on here. Unseats the ball and lets the oil run into the engine. I've never had any problems with them, but some people say they do. They say they restrict the flow. I'm not sure how. But I suppose that ball could show some restriction in the line, but boy, it fits so loosely that I don't see how. But anyway, it's just a weak spring in there, and if the spring should break, so it can't hold the ball up against the seat, you're just going to have oil running into the engine like you normally would without the valve itself. So it's a fail-safe valve. You can't ruin your engine with it, really. The only problems are when you're starting up a fresh engine, you got to prime the oil pump, but you should do that anyways. So that's it. It's this extremely light spring. I mean, it's lighter than a pen spring. See it in the bottom there. Got your ball going in. And I'll put some sealant on there before I actually use it, but that's it. Not much to it. I don't know if you can see it here. Get close enough. It says in. And by in, it means that's the inlet. So that goes to your oil tank. The oil comes from the oil tank into the inlet, out to the engine. Easy peasy.